Good morning, students. So today in lecture 17 and 18, we'll solve additional problems in the test because the test performance is not satisfactory. All of you have the same answers. Even Belsia's answers were wrong. So when you copied, everybody copied from her, I hope. So all the answers are wrong. So let me discuss. So these and all, I think you know. This is the main part. See, for this question number 4, you had to find the distribution factor. See, join B you have BA and BC. BAC, BA, for and fixed. So what is the formula? I by L. All of you have it wrong. So I by 6. And BC you have BC. So C is hinged but continuous. So again I by L only. But all of you have done it wrong. So these are the answers. Similarly for C, CB. B is a foreign is fixed but continuous. Again I by L. And CD, hinge support, 3 by 4 into I by L. So all of you had it wrong. So these are the correct answers. Kindly check and do this. Okay. So this is also a problem. So you have to do it. So this problem also, first step, all of you are correct. The second step, BA and BC join B. See, BA is fixed. So I by L. And BC is hinge but continuous. So again it is only I by L. All of you did it wrong. I don't know why. Again CB. B is hinge but continuous. Again I by L. CD hinge 3 by 4 I by L. So this step went wrong for everyone. So obviously the other step would be wrong. So I given only 6 marks for all the problems. So 6 into 3 18 plus there and 2 marks. 18 plus 8 26 marks. So all of you have the same marks. So I'm not at all satisfied. See again here. When you have the end support as hinge, so D is hinge, end support A and D. A is fixed, no problem, D is hinge. If you have D as hinge, what is the first step to be followed? You have to make it as 0. D means you have DC. DC is 10.55. Should be 0. So what do you do? You have to have minus 10.55, again carry over. This is the first step. The first step you have to check whether the end supports a hinge. This hinge you have to make it 0. So try this problem. So today all of you have to do this problem. You have no other go, you have to do it. That is the assignment. So submit the assignment. Submit your notes for lecture 17 18. Okay, all of you need to do it. So I worked out all the problems, you have to do it. That is the assignment. Okay. It is going to take time, but all of you have to work it and no copying at all. Because of copying only you are in this situation. So Venn diagram will teach you later. And this 6b problem, the only difference is AB has a moment. Clockwise moment the center. So formula is m by 4. M of AB equal to m by 4. M of BA also equal to m by 4. That's the only. Again the same thing. This is the problem which we had in question number 4 of part A. So refer that. And do this. So this problem you have to do it particularly. You have to work it out, you have to get the same answer. Okay. I have only given the final answers. Okay. And this is 7A. 7A also, all of you have it wrong. So B, join B, what are the members? BA, BC and BD. So BA, A is fixed, I by L. BC, no support, so 0. BD, fixed support, I by L. So that was what I have done. Again the problem. So it's quite a simple problem. This also everybody has done wrong. And 7B, it is a sway problem. I'll explain what is sway and not sway. Okay, in the next class. And you'll be able to understand that the sway problem it is more tedious. So don't attempt sway problems. Again 8A. So again you'll have a problem here. 8A many people have attended. And again the same thing. So distribution factor is the main problem. So because of that everything went on waste. Okay. See again there's many iterations are coming. This is the final answer. So once you get 28.68 minus 28.6, 0.01 difference or 0 difference you can stop. 0.01 if the iterations are more, 0.01 or 0.02 you can stop and have the answer. So 28.68 minus 28.61 you can take it as 28.68 or 28.67, whatever you want. Okay. And this problem. So all the problems go through. So other problems you have the reference to it. So one problem, this you have to work it by yourself. That is the main thing. Okay. So problem number 1 second. Yes. So problem number 6b, everybody has to do it because I have not worked it down. Okay, you have to submit the entire notes, and 6b work it on your own. Okay, be very careful of distribution factor. For and fixed I by L, for and hinged but continuous also I by L, for and hinged only. Beyond that support, if you don't have any other support, only it is 3 by 4 into I by L. So always remember that. And for overhanging portion also, no support, so 0. Okay, I hope you'll do it. So this is a video recording for 17, 18. You have to submit your entire notes in assignment and put your attendance also. Okay, thank you. So make it a point you come on Thursday to the college. All of you have to come. Okay, Aravind is going to come. Belsia and Jayapriya will come. Other people also come to the college. Okay, I have to explain in Persian. I have to work it on the board. So Belsia, when you come, I have not invited any other persons. So when you come to my room, we'll go to classroom and we'll have the regular class. Okay, remember, don't get distracted as you got. You're helping Haripriya, that is okay, but this time all of you come and I'm going to teach you again. Okay, I teach you sway and without sway. I teach you the bending moment. Okay, that is pending. Then only I'll be satisfied with the 2 units. Okay, thank you. And never ever copy in the future. Okay, try it on your own. If you try it and get it wrong also, no problem. But all of you have copied the same answers. Everybody has said wrong and everybody has only 26 out of 50. Okay, submit your notes because you have marks for that also in internal marks. Thank you.